Let's work on today's technique. For more information, click on the link below. Welcome to GoodKnit Kisses. We're all about helping you stitch your love and love your stitches.
And now we're going to slip with the yarn in front. So slip purlwise with the yarn in front. Move that yarn to the front. Slip it purlwise. We're not actually purling. And then move the yarn to the back again. And then knit 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then we're going to repeat with the asterisk. So yarn front, slip, and then 1, 2, 3. So you've got to make sure and put that yarn to the back when you want to knit. Otherwise, you're going to start increasing stitches, and we don't want to do that. So on all the second rows, you will make sure that it's got that yarn in the front just when you're slipping, and then it goes back. So what it's doing is it's actually wrapping around this stitch here for you. Okay? So you could call it a wrap stitch, but we're not turning or anything like that. So you're just going straight across and making this wrap.
Thanks for joining us today, where we help you stitch your love and love your stitches. See you again soon.